What is going on, everybody? Thank y'all for tuning in. I checked the weather yesterday. They said it was supposed to be light winds today all day. Couldn't pass up the opportunity. Ended up bringing the kayak out. We got off to a late start this morning just because we had to dodge a few thunderstorms, but cleared up. Weather turned out to be perfect. Ended up getting onto some nice fish. Started off with the topwater. Ended up getting onto some nice speckled trout. So y'all stick around. Thank y'all for tuning in.
Hard copies, electronic copies of the O&M manual have been transmitted to the system member via the project manager. So we need to find out who the project manager is.
Yeah.
If we have that information, then it includes an electronic spreadsheet of all owner identified.
Yeah. Hey, let me call you back because I got a fish. Okay, bye. Oh shit, I got a fish. I'm all on the damn phone. Woo woo! There we go. That's a nice trout. Nice trout right there. Come on. Come on. That is a nice trout right there. Oh. Come on. Come on. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. And look at that. Gorgeous trout on that topwater. Make 'em bite custom lures. Nice. It's a nice fat trout. 21 3/4. Nice fat trout right there. You can feel this. Oh, you can feel it solid. There's a huge mullet in its stomach right here. All right, let's let this girl go. There you go. Thank you. There's a mullet jump right there. There's a lot more mullet in here, so kind of just cruise onto this area. Throw that topwater. See if we can get a few bites. Oh, there we go. Nice. Oh, that's a nice. That's a trout. That's a nice trout right there. That dude just smashed and he's taking drag too. Nice. Oh, come on. Oh, he hasn't come up yet. Oh, that's a nice trout. Yes, sir. Oh, come on. Come this way. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, he's not ready yet. He's not ready yet. That's a solid trout. Has to be close to 23. There we go. There we go. Make them bite custom lures. There you go. Another fatty, long trout too. Nice. Nice. Let's get a measurement on this one. Shit, I want to say probably about a 24, 23 inch trout. Yeah. A little over 23, almost 23 1/4. Nice, and these ones just have their belly stacked full of mullet. Gorgeous trout right there. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was a nice blow up. Oh, come on. Oh, don't tell me. No, he's still on. He's still on. Oh, that was a huge blow up. Oh, come on. Ah, so I was just walking that thing. I was just walking that lure and that fish just smashed that top water. Oh, come on. What are you? What are you? What are you? Oh, it's a trout. That's a nice trout too. Come on. There we go. Got him. Got him. Oh, that lure just came out. Alright, let's see how big he is. 20 and a quarter. 20 and a quarter. I think this one's going home with us. Take some dinner home. Bleed him out. There we go. Alright. We have a lot of cloud cover, but not directly over us, so it seems like the top water bite kind of died. We'll switch up to some soft plastic, see what we can do on that. Definitely want to know if y'all are using top water, what y'all are using, how you're throwing it, when y'all are using it, and kind of when y'all decide to just pull the plug and try something else. Alright, so we're going to fish this first set of rocks just to see if we can get anything, kind of gauge it. So what we're going to use is this 4-inch diesel minnow. We're just going to kind of burn it through, see what we can pick apart. It's on a 1/8 ounce jig head, so hopefully we can get some more fish. Oh, there we go. There we go, that head shake. That's the trout right there. Right off of those rocks. Come on. Chill out. Chill out. That diesel minnow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not a big one. Probably be a keeper back in the day. There he goes. Thank you, sir. Got him. There you go. Didn't even feel him. Yeah, I didn't even feel him. Didn't even know I was hooked. Just felt something heavy on the other end. Oh, not a big one. Yeah, tiny trout. Pretty trout. Yeah, there was a redfish blowing up right on the shoreline. See if we can get close enough. He popped off over here at the shoreline and he kind of moved this way. I don't see him right now. Something. There's a dark shadow right here. I don't know if that's him or that's just a rock. Let's make a few casts in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. That was him. He missed it. He's still there. He's still there. Oh, he took off. Is that a red? Looks like a drum. Like a black drum. Like there's maybe two of them in there. See if we can get one to bite. Alright, so we're just gonna cruise the shoreline. We don't see anything, we'll head back. Did see some black drum. I got all excited because I thought it was a redfish, but let's see what else we can find. See if anything pops up, shows itself. It's getting a little choppy out here, but the winds aren't supposed to get too much higher than this. So if they are, we're kind of in a predicament over here. Yeah, there's some black drum right there. Right at the edge. You can see their tails. I don't see any redfish though.